Hi, Kindergartners. It's Mrs. Thomas Moore. Hope you're having a great week. I hope that you all are still practicing your math and staying safe. I hope you were with Miss Cotton on yesterday and enjoyed your lesson on describing numbers the Say 10 way. Something new, but I bet it was fun. So, all right, let's see if we can start our day as we always do with Miss Thomas Moore and do some math movement. That's right. Today we're going to do what I call our kindergarten Macarena. So you're going to stand up and you're going to follow me and we're going to count all the way to 30 while we're doing this. So we're going to put our left hand out, right hand out, and while we're doing that, we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hands on our hips. It's going to be 9. Clap on 10. And we're going to repeat that pattern 3 times. And by doing that, we're going to count all the way to 30. If you're ready, let's go. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Awesome job. Awesome job. You guys did a great job with that Macarena. Our minds and our bodies are all warmed up. So now we are ready to begin our lesson. So what we're going to need today is paper and pencil. Just at the end of our lesson for a little something special we're going to do with what we learned. And then you're going to need your listening ears because we're going to be reading a story today. Because what is today? That's right, it's Math Meets Literacy. Math Meets Literacy Day. So today we're going to read a story. And we're going to talk about, in our story, counting objects. And so we're going to be counting up to 20. I know you can do it because we just counted to 30. All right, so let's see what our story is going to be today. Jack the Builder. That's right, Jack the Builder. And it's by Stuart J. Murphy. And the illustrator is Michael Rex. That's right, the illustrator. Who can tell me what the illustrator does in our story? What does the illustrator do with our story? Draw pictures? That's right. The illustrator draws pictures for our story. So Michael Rex is our illustrator for our story. So let's get started with our story. Jack the Builder. Blocks, blocks, blocks. Jack has a great big pile of blocks. He can stack them, pile them, build them up high. Just 2 blocks can build. What do you think 2 blocks can build for Jack? My goodness, a robot toy to play with. You think you could build a robot toy with 2 blocks? Jack did. Jack has 2. He'll put 1 more on top. That means he has 2, then 3. 3 blocks can be. His 2 blocks was a robot. What do you think his 3 blocks can be? A hot dog stand to get a treat. Yummy in our tummy, a treat. 3. Jack has 3. Now he'll add 2 more. 3, 4, 5. 5 blocks will make. What will 5 blocks make? A ferry boat out on the sea. 5 blocks can make a ferry boat on the sea. Jack has 5. This time he'll add 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 blocks look like, look at that picture. What do you think that might be that Jack has built with 8 blocks? Can anybody guess? A lookout tower. A lookout tower to watch for planes. Have you ever been to an airport? They have lookout towers at the airport. 8. Jack has 8. He'll put 4 more on top. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Wow, 12 blocks can be, 8 blocks was a lookout tower. What could 12 blocks be? Anybody guessing? The tallest building in the world. Wow, that's got to be pretty tall if it's the tallest building in the world. 12 blocks. Jack has 12. Now he'll add how many more? 5. That's right. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I like how you're helping me to count. 17 blocks became, what does his 17 blocks become? What does that look like? Did anybody guess? Did I hear someone? A rocket ship. A rocket ship is what it becomes. Blast off. Look at that rocket ship. Awesome job. Uh-oh. No more rocket ship. No more building. No more tower. No boat. No hot dog stand. Not even a robot friend. Nothing but a pile of blocks. What can Jack do with a pile of blocks? Jack can start all over again. The end. Oh my goodness. Jack made so many things with his blocks. He counted those blocks. He made lots of things with his blocks. He started with 2 blocks and he counted all the way up and made so many different things with his blocks. What do you think you could make with all of those blocks that Jack had? I hope you enjoyed the story because we were able to count along with Jack because that was our learning goal. We were going to count objects. So what objects did we count with Jack? We counted the blocks. We counted the blocks. That's right. So now I want you to choose a number between 10 and 20. And what you're going to do with that number is you're going to draw shapes or animals or use pictures maybe out of a magazine that represent that number. So that means if I were to pick the number, let's say 14, I could draw 14 shapes. So if I drew 14 shapes, I have represented my number 14. So let's see, do I have 14 shapes on my picture? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I have my 14 shapes. So if you chose to do that route where you pick a number and draw shapes for it, that's great. But you can also do it by choosing to pick a number and then draw a picture that has that many shapes in it that create that picture. Now, I'm not the greatest artist, as I've told you before, but I always do my best. And that's all that I want you to do is to do your best. So in this picture, I have 15 shapes, and I use rectangles, some triangles, squares, and circle. So in there, I have 15 shapes. And I would love it if you could share your work with me. You can do that by going to flipgrid.com and putting in the code that's there. And once you do that, then you can also go to our QR code and submit your work to me so that I can see your beautiful pictures, your beautiful counting that I know you're going to do. I can't wait to see your work. It's been great hanging out with you again. I love doing math with you, and I know you're having a great time with it because I'm having a great time showing it and sharing it with you. Be safe, boys and girls. See you next time. Bye-bye.